Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Guys, so as you all have already seen the title and the thumbnail, today's video is gonna be all about get ready with me for Eid. So yes, Bakrid is coming, so I thought why not do a get ready with me, because I know you guys love watching get ready with me videos, the makeup tutorials and all of that. So I thought this is the time I should be creating a festive makeup look for you guys using one of my favorite foundations. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so it's always good to start the makeup on a clean face, and to cleanse my face I'm gonna use Derma Vibes Hydra Cleanser. And you guys know that this is very gentle onto our skin, as this has colloidal oatmeal in it and also maintains the pH balance of our skin. Next up, I'm gonna moisturize my face, for which I'm gonna use Nutriderm's Vitamin E lotion, and you guys know this has vitamin E in it and works great as a primer before makeup. So I'm just gonna take pea size and apply it all throughout my face in a circular motion, as you can see. And I've told this several times that I've got dry area around my eyes, my mouth and my nose, and that's where I'm going to concentrate, and also drag the same onto my neck so that my neck also is equally moisturized. And then I'm going to use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask and moisturize my lips, because my lips get very dry, especially in this pregnancy period. My lips are getting super dry. And then to conceal my eyes, I'm gonna use PAC Stay Cover Concealer and start concealing under my eyes and also around my mouth. As you can see, I'm gonna apply generous amount around my mouth. And then using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer, I'm gonna just use the sponge that comes with the concealer and start blending the concealer first around my mouth. And then I'm gonna blend the concealer under my eyes. And with whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just gonna drag that on my eyelids so that my eyelids also are concealed evenly. I'm not gonna take any extra product, you guys. And then with the same amount of concealer whichever is left on the sponge, I'm just gonna dab on the dots I have on my face, like on my cheeks. And then I'm gonna use my favorite foundation stick, that is from MAC, and the shade number is NC40, and just apply that all throughout my face. And also drag it onto my neck. And then using a flat brush, I'm gonna blend my foundation. As you can see, I'm just using the circular motion technique and also the I don't know what exactly this technique is called, but I'm just blending it with a very light hand. And why I use this brush is because it makes it very quicker and easier. If I use a tiny brush, it's gonna take a lot of time, but because this brush is little bigger in size, it blends very soon and very seamlessly. Now with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just gonna dab all the foundation in its place so that everything looks seamless. And then I'm gonna use MAC's NC42 Compact Powder, and using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna apply the compact powder under my eyes, around my mouth, in fact all throughout my face, ears and neck. And then using PAC's contour palette, I'm just gonna contour my nose using a sponge. You guys know this is the only thing that I do. I just take a sponge and contour my nose. I'm not gonna contour my chin or my cheeks. And then using the same sponge, I'm just gonna dust off the excess foundation or the compact that I have on my brows. And then using PAC's eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take the lightest shade which is available in the palette and apply it as a transition shade using a fluffy brush. And then using little darkest shade, I'm gonna make use of a tiny brush and apply it under my eyes and also on my eyelids. And then using a flat brush and using the golden shade which is available in the palette, I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids, not the entire eyelids but just the first half of it. I'm gonna make sure and blend it evenly and make it look seamless, and also not gonna take it above my crease line. And then using an eyebrow brush, I'm just gonna brush off my brows, and with the help of a flat brush taking the brown shade from the palette which is from Body Shop, I'm just gonna do my brows like so. Now what I feel is brows play the major role in your face structure, so I make sure and give enough time to my brows. And then again I'm gonna brush off my brows in place. And for lips, I'm gonna use Kay Beauty's Rom-Com and start doing my lip. And for blush, I'm gonna use this palette by Milani, and using a blush brush, I'm just gonna take all the 3 shades, blend them well and apply it onto the apples of my cheeks like so. And also apply the same amount on my chin, and whatever is left on the brush I'm gonna dust off on my nose. And then using PAC's highlighter in the shade 12, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes using a flat brush. And then using a fan brush, I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, the cheekbones, and my forehead, my chin, as well as my collarbones. And then with the same flat brush, I'm gonna highlight the brow bones, as you can see. And then using Kay Beauty's Kajal, I'm just gonna line the upper lash, as you can see. And here's a hack, you guys. I take this diluter from PAC and just add 1 to 2 drops in my eyeliner, the gel liner, and then blend it well so that the gel liner applies seamlessly onto my eyelids. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, as you can see. I'm gonna start from the inner corner and drag it towards the outer corner, and then stop it there and do the wink, and then join them both properly. I'm gonna repeat the same on the right eye as well. I don't know why, but I have this habit of starting with my left eye and then going on to the right eye. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use this mascara by PAC and start doing my upper lash. And whenever I do my mascara, I make sure and do the top first by placing the mirror just so below, and then start doing it upwards so that it forms the curls properly and holds the curls in its place, and then doing my lower lash. Guys, so that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me creating this particular look for Eid. Please do share your pictures on Instagram and tag me if you try out this look. I would love to watch you guys recreating my easy, quick, festive makeup look. I would love watching you guys do that. So yeah, let me know what are the other makeup looks that you guys want me to create in the comment section down below. I would love to experiment that for you guys. And also there are many more makeup videos coming up very soon, because you guys know there's a lot that's gonna happen in my life right now. So I would be vlogging all of those. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe, because I don't want you to miss out on any of the future content. So yeah, I will see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.